everyone, welcome to Devlog 2 of my snake program. So basically, it's basically finished as of right now. I just need to do a bit more of optimization. I did a lot, and yeah, there's so much optimization I did, but yeah, it's time. Let's go check this one out. It's a bit intense just because of the speed, and yeah, you can see the score right here. Oh gosh, I'm planning on optimizing a bit more just so that it would stop glitching like that. Like yeah, that's the glitch I need to fix, and then also cap it. Well, like make a barrier. But yeah, my high score on this is 11. Yeah, okay, I just beat it. So yeah, this is basically the game. The reason it's so fast is because it just it it works on a 40 frame per second clock, a 40 hertz clock. So yeah, this thing is going at just walking 40 times every second. So yeah, that's why it's so intense. But on a slower computer, this will probably be like less intense. It'll probably be just like really laggy. Oh my gosh, what happened? Oh, okay. Yeah, that's what happens when you lose. It'll show 0 right there, and it'll just freeze. But then press a key, and you're back. And by the way, it goes in there and then checks if it's inside. So if it goes right there, then boom, you're done. Or if it goes right here, then okay, it'll bounce off there. But if it goes at the top right there, then it'll go there, and then it won't. Yeah, that's what happens. But anyways, yeah, you guys can go check this out right now. It's not the final version. Just keep in mind that there's also this weird bug where whenever it gets hit by the ball, it just goes down like that. And I lost. No. Oh my gosh. And yeah, sometimes it does that. It's an like I said in the WSDQ video, there's a weird bug with oh my gosh. There's a weird bug with the jumps, and I'm pretty sure that's what's causing this causing it to like go back and forth like that. And yeah, as you can see, it went there and then I'm dead. So yeah, that's basically this whole program. Let me just walk you guys through it. So there's set color, which sets the color. This thing sets the direction for it. It's defining the paddle, and yeah, the ball right here. And you have the main loop over here, which checks the real time clock as in F6 on the memory map. It's this thing. Hold on, it's right here. So oh, and also I replaced the circuit from here from going on and off to just a random. It's just a random thing, just because on and off will make it like really it'll just make it the same every time basically. It's just really, yeah, it just I don't know. I don't know how to explain it. Anyways, it goes check the main loop. It checks for the RTC. Where is it? Where did it go? Where? Okay, there it is. So it checks the RTC right here. Checks for input. If it finds input, it'll move the paddle right here and also output it to the TTY. And then there's a move here where it just checks. It'll reset the timing detector. Well, not really reset. Well, flip it. It'll detect the other rising edge or falling edge, and then it'll basically just initialize the calculation for the ball. It'll get the direction, like I have a direction stored, so it'll get the direction, check what it should do, decrement or increment it, and then it'll just yeah, and then it'll just apply that basically over here, just all that. And then it has these checks, which checks if it's at the edge of a wall, and then there's this special check called inpad, which is basically when once it bounces at this left side, and then once it bounces on the left side, it'll of course change the direction, and then check if it's intersecting the it'll check if it's intersecting the oh my gosh, the paddle. And then right here it just checks, it's a secondary check from it, like this is checks the top part, this checks the bottom part basically. And then yeah, and after the checks, it'll finalize everything by writing it to the GPU, and then yeah, that's basically this whole program. It's, I think it was 252 bytes. This is a pretty crazy program for just 256 bytes. Even for this even for like just a program in general, this is a really small program for Pong. Yeah. I like to see someone try to make this in 252 bytes. I think the reason why a lot of this is so complicated on like computers right now is because you have all these abstractions with OpenGL and those big giant APIs that they have to inject into your code when compiling. But yeah, that's basically this program. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in the next video where I finally finish this. Or at least I hope I finally finish it. Anyway, see ya.